Welcome to physics class. So students, we are learning physics chapter number 11, magnetic materials from class 12th. This is topic number 11.4 in your book, and the name of the topic is magnetization and magnetic intensity. This topic starts from page number 255 in your textbook. You can see here the derivation for magnetic field intensity on this page. What is magnetization? The ratio of magnetic moment to the volume of the material is called as magnetization. It is denoted by capital M. Capital M is equal to M net divided by volume. यानी मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट को वॉल्यूम से जो डिवाइड किए हमने मटेरियल किसी भी मटेरियल में, that gives the value of magnetization. M is a vector quantity and its dimension are L minus 1 A. Its SI unit is ampere per meter. For calculating magnetic field intensity, let us see first of all what is a solenoid. So what is a solenoid? Solenoid is a long tightly wound helical metal wire which is called as solenoid. ये copper wire होता है जिसको हम again and again twist करते हैं और इस तरह का structure बनाते हैं, and when we pass current through it, magnetic field is generated in the solenoid. Let us consider a rod of such a material with some net magnetization placed in a solenoid with n turns per unit length and carrying a current I. Magnetic field inside the solenoid is given by. So we can see here the magnetic field inside the solenoid is given by B0 is equal to mu0 Ni, where mu0 is permeability of free space. Now, there are the total net magnetic field inside the solenoid is comprised of two parts, that is B0 plus Bm. B0 is magnetic field due to solenoid and Bm is the magnetic field due to material inside the solenoid. Okay, so total B will be equal to B0 plus Bm. So you can write here B is equal to, B0 is nothing but mu0 Ni. What is Bm? Mu0 into M. So we can say B is equal to mu0 Ni plus mu0 M. Okay. Now here magnetic field intensity is given by H is equal to N into I. So put this value in the above equation. What we can get? This last equation, B is equal to mu0. Instead of Ni, I will write here H plus mu0 into M. Okay. Further, the total magnetic field B is given by B is equal to mu0 in the bracket H plus M, where H magnetic field intensity will become H is equal to B upon mu0 minus M. Thus, the magnetic field induced in the material depends on H and M. Okay. Further, if H is not too strong, the magnetization is proportional to magnetic intensity. M is directly proportional to H. Therefore, as a constant, we can say M is equal to chi into H. This constant is introduced in this equation, where chi is called as magnetic susceptibility. It has no dimensions. So in fact, chi tells us about the value of magnetic moment, the value of magnetization of a substance. तर काय सांगतं? Magnetization ची value. Okay. Again, B is equal to mu0 in the bracket H plus M. Okay. And we know that M is equal to chi into H. So put this value here. We get B is equal to mu0 in the bracket H plus chi into H. Okay. H अगर हमने common लिया यहाँ पर तो bracket में बचता है 1 plus chi. So B is equal to mu0 in the bracket 1 plus chi into H. Okay. Now we can say mu r is equal to 1 plus chi, where mu r is called as the relative magnetic permeability of the substance. तो mu r अगर हम यहाँ पर put किए तो we get final equation as B is equal to mu into H, where mu is equal to mu 0 into mu r, and finally we can say mu is equal to mu 0, and instead of mu r we can write 1 plus chi. So we get here another formula for mu as mu is equal to mu 0 in the bracket 1 plus chi. So these are different values of chi, and for silicon, for this for different materials, the value of chi is given, and you can see here for diamagnetic substances it is in negative and very less value. So in this lecture we have seen what is magnetization, what is a solenoid, what is magnetic field intensity due to a solenoid. Then we have got formula for mu, that is magnetic permeability for a material. Then at last we have seen magnetic susceptibility, and what is the value of magnetic susceptibility for different materials.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Point. Trust yourself. You know what kind of life you should live. You don't need an ethics course to tell you what not to do. Trust in your instincts and you will build a great life, you will build a good life, and you will change the world. You know, I said at my age that I don't have much specific wisdom to impart. I have one final piece of advice for the graduates, and it is a piece of advice that is gained from experience, not books. Trust me about this. You will never understand how much your parents love you until you have children of your own. Once you have children of your own, all that strange behavior, the stalking, the worrying, will all make sense. But do me a favor, don't wait so long. My mother lives 8,000 miles away, and I think about this every day. Don't wait so long. Get up today of all days and hug your parents and tell them you love them. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and to the graduates of Harvard, Godspeed.